Hello everyone, here for the long-awaited remake of the Litex all-weather ceiling fans. I'm doing a video for each of them, and I'm going to do this one right here on the right first, and I'm joined here by my dog Mouse and my cat. So, start off with the light. I put LEDs in this so it's much brighter than it was before. I'm going to turn off at the standard switch I have on. Okay, start it up on low. I think that's low. Might not be though. That would be low. The blades are plastic, of course, because it's one of the cheaper ones. In Verde, which is pretty cool. That one has Harbor Breeze pull chains, while the other one does not, because they broke off. Or one of them broke off and was never seen again. Our family built this house, so it's not like it was broken off before we got here. The medium. This one does have a wobble. They both have a pretty bad wobble. Used to be much worse though. Actually, it is pretty bad. My hand's wobbling too, so it doesn't help. Maybe if I get over here. See the light wobble. Yeah, it wobbles pretty bad. I think it fixed itself on high though. Yeah, it definitely loses its big wobble. Cuts down to a low wobble, but wobbling faster. Let's cut it off. Standard switch. Because I set it back to normal, which is when I normally have it. This is what I normally have it on when I have it on high. I'm going to keep this one on high and the other one on medium, because the other one has horrible wobble that I haven't got around to balancing yet. And to be honest, I'm not quite sure how to balance that one. As far as I can remember, the spin down's pretty great on these things. I know partially why this one wobbles is because one of the blades, if you notice, is flat facing, like facing straight down and not facing not out of pitch, and I'm pretty sure quite a few of the other ones are bent funny and have problems. I'm not a perfect balance. Like, I can't really balance them much better than this. This one ate a football, so didn't help. That's what caused that blade to be bent, is it took a football from my brother and cousin playing sports back here. Very long. Very long. Yeah. The bearings are definitely good. It's an indoor-outdoor fan, so it makes the bearings better. I don't know. Tell me I'm wrong in the description. I'm just guessing because the outdoor fans appear to have better bearings than the indoor ones, as far as I've seen. There's a cat. There we go. Just about done. Well, see y'all later, guys.